In the greatest epic ever told, the most powerful alliance wasn't formed in golden palaces or grand courts, but in the humble forests of ancient India. This is the story of how indigenous tribes became instrumental in the cosmic battle between good and evil. 14 years of exile had brought Prince Rama, his wife Sita, and brother Lakshmana deep into the Dandaka forest. But fate had greater plans than mere banishment. When the demon king Ravana abducted Sita and carried her away to Lanka, Rama faced an impossible task. The vast ocean separated him from his beloved, and the mighty walls of Lanka seemed impenetrable. But wisdom often comes from unexpected sources. The forest dwellers, known as Vanaras, were no ordinary tribes. Led by their mighty king Sugriva, they possessed extraordinary strength, wisdom, and a deep connection to the natural world. These indigenous people had lived in harmony with the forest for generations, understanding its secrets and mastering its ways. When Rama first encountered Sugriva, it wasn't as a prince seeking subjects, but as an equal seeking friendship. This meeting would reshape the course of destiny. Sugriva, himself a victim of injustice, found in Rama a kindred spirit. Their alliance began not with political negotiations, but with a simple act of mutual help. Rama would help Sugriva reclaim his kingdom, and in return, the Vanara army would aid in the search for Sita. The forest tribes brought unique gifts to this divine mission. Hanuman, the mighty Vanara warrior, possessed unmatched strength and the ability to leap across oceans. Jambavan, the wise bear king, carried ancient knowledge that would prove crucial. Nila commanded the forces of nature, while Angada's courage would inspire thousands. What made this alliance remarkable was its foundation in Dharma, the eternal law of righteousness. The forest dwellers didn't join Rama's cause because of his royal status. They recognized in him a leader who embodied truth, justice, and compassion. Their support wasn't born from obligation, but from a shared vision of Dharma. As the alliance grew, more forest tribes joined the cause. The bears, led by Jambavan, brought their incredible strength. The squirrel tribes, though small, would later prove their worth in building the bridge to Lanka. Each group contributed their unique skills and knowledge, transforming a personal quest into a universal movement for righteousness. This divine collaboration shattered the artificial barriers between royal and tribal, civilized and forest dweller. In the eyes of Dharma, all were equal warriors in the battle against Adharma, unrighteousness. The forest tribes showed that wisdom and nobility aren't confined to palaces and cities but flourish wherever truth is honored. Through their combined efforts, they accomplished what seemed impossible. They built a bridge across the ocean, breached the mighty walls of Lanka, and ultimately triumphed over Ravana's forces. The victory belonged not just to Rama, but to every forest warrior who fought for Dharma. This alliance teaches us profound truths that resonate even today. It shows that strength lies in unity, that wisdom can come from unexpected sources, and that Dharma transcends all social boundaries. The forest tribes remind us that true nobility isn't inherited but earned through actions aligned with righteousness. In the end, this wasn't just a story about a prince receiving help from forest dwellers. It was a testament to the universal nature of Dharma, showing how divine purpose can unite diverse peoples in a common cause. The indigenous tribes of the Ramayana demonstrate that when we stand together for righteousness, even the most formidable obstacles can be overcome. Their legacy lives on, reminding us that in the great battle between good and evil, every soul has a crucial part to play. The forest tribes didn't just join Rama's cause, they showed us that the path of Dharma is open to all who choose to walk it.